Welcome to the Constitution Code. I'm a host, a law officer. Today we are putting our UPSC scanner on one of the biggest ticking time bombs in Indian constitutional law, the Delimitation Commission and the North-South representation imbalance. Under Article 82 of the Indian Constitution, Parliament must pass a delimitation act after every single census to readjust the allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha based on population changes. पर यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेडलॉक है. In 1976, during the emergency, the 42nd Amendment froze the population basis for seat allocation at the 1971 census levels. This freeze was later extended up to the year 2026 by the 84th Amendment. अब 2026 आ चुका है and the freeze is officially expiring. Let's scan the real legal political crisis. Over the last 50 years, southern states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka strictly implemented national family planning policies, slowing down their population growth. On the flip side, northern states saw massive population boom. If a new delimitation commission redraws the Lok Sabha map strictly based on current population metrics, the total seats in the north will skyrocket while the south will lose massive political representation in parliament. For a GS2 mains answers, you must scan this problem through two core democratic principles: Federalism versus population-based democracy. Can a state be politically penalized for achieving national healthcare and development goals? To secure high marks, argue that the solution requires an amendment to decouple fiscal federalism and Rajya Sabha weightage from pure population metrics, or maintaining a structural seat lock to preserve national unity. We are scanning one high-yield constitutional deadlock like this every single night. Hit that subscribe button to join the Constitution Code. Stop scanning outdated books and let's change the game. See you tomorrow.